Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on Vivo Y17S. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Firefox. Now click search and click install. And now you have to click open. And here you can set your default browser, or you can click cancel. Now you can add Firefox widget, or you can click not now. Here you can sign in into your Firefox account, or you can click I don't have a Mozilla account. And now you can turn notifications, or you can just click not now. And as you can see, my Firefox browser is now installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.